Hello everyone, so today I will show you how to enroll your disbursement account in SSS. So first, let's go to our portal in Google. Okay, here. So we will go to benefits because I need to apply for maternity benefit. But since I don't have disbursement account, this one, I can't apply for my maternity benefit. So I need to put first or enroll first my disbursement account kasi doon nila ilalagay yung benefits. So let's click here. And these are some reminders. So for me, I will enroll my bank account, not my e-wallet. So just click this one and proceed. So again, mine is bank. And I only have Metrobank, so I will click Metrobank. Where is it? Okay, here. And type the bank account number. So this one and this one. Next is we need a proof of account. So document type. I have ATM card with account number and name. So you can choose whatever you have or whatever you want. I have ATM card with account number. Next, ID. Wait. So I need to put first the picture. Sorry, I forgot. I took a picture a while ago. This one. Next, ID card. So this, I have PRC. Okay, so list of valid ID cards. Let's see. This one, you can use your UMID, SS card, PhilHealth. What are the common? We have postal ID, voter's ID, police clearance, and mine is professional ID card. So make sure na clear siya, because even if you go to the branch, they will say na kailangan in-apply mo online. So online na po siya ngayon because I just went to the SSS here in our city, but they said it's all online. You cannot do about it, so you have to enroll online. You cannot enroll to the branch itself, to the office itself. Next, because I made this for 3 times already and it got rejected, so dapat talaga malinaw na malinaw. Okay, so for the selfie, this one, make sure that it looks really like this and nakikita yung account number, also your name. Dapat super clear. Hindi naman as in, but nababasa siya. And you shouldn't use eyeglasses. So you have to clear your face. And now, let's click enroll. Okay. So the
following papers were found in trying to submit this form. Proof of account file, too large. So it should be 3 MB only. Proof of identification card, too large. Oh, okay. So I need to edit.
to change it again. Okay, so na-edit ko na. Again. Maximum size is 3 MB and should be JPG or PDF. Okay, so let's try to enroll. Your bank account number will be submitted to SSS. Do you want to continue? Sana hindi na to ma-reject. Okay. Okay, so after nyan, you will see this one. You have
Successfully enrolled your bank account details or mobile number to SSS. Please take note of your transaction number. So kindly wait for payment information and the result of pressing the...
Okay, so sabi sa branch na pinuntahan ko, within 5 days daw yung feedback. So view this. So paano naman if e-wallet? So the very common GCash e-wallet. So it says here accounts are currently not being used by SSS for loan. So kung loan ang applyan nyo, e-wallet is not acceptable. So you have to use your bank account. This e-wallet is only for benefits. So the same process, GCash or if you have Maya and mobile number, the same. So just put and then ganun din. But except, oh, by the way, proof of account. So you just take a picture of your profile in GCash. Next, ID, valid ID, and selfie photo. So you have to take a picture na hawak mo yung account mo using your phone, your profile, kung ano yung photo dito. Ganun din. So you have to hold it and then your valid ID. But yes, that's all. And also you have to certify and enroll. So let's just wait for an email by the SSS. And you can also click here for notifications. Yeah, so this is my notification. You will find the reply here also. I already received the email from SSS after 1 working day. So I applied last Friday. So let's see. So it says here approved finally.
So we are pleased to inform you that your submitted proof of account under transaction has been processed and approved.
Meron na akong disbursement account. I can now finally apply for maternity benefit. So I applied this one, by the way, last Friday, which is November 3. And Saturday and Sunday are not included. So Monday, I received the email already. So let's see our portal. So here, let's view the notification. So it's the same, marireceive mo rin siya dito. So it says approved. Now let's check. So I need this one because I want to apply for my maternity benefit. So now it's in here already. And meron na tayo ditong processed. So a while ago, before, there's none because I don't have a disbursement account. So if you will apply for a loan or any benefits, you need your disbursement account first to proceed. So that's all for today's video. I will make another video for applying for maternity benefits. Thank you for watching.